Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the 3 secrets to making toadstool mushrooms fast. Secret number 1 is using marshmallows for the stems. The big ones for big mushrooms and the mini ones for small ones.
Hey, but how did you make that mushroom top?
Yep, I did it. I brought in the fairies. How could you not? Toadstools, come on. Secret number 2 is to use measuring spoons to make your mushroom tops. Just grease your spoons with vegetable shortening, knead your fondant, and roll it to a ball. I buy the red fondant because it's faster. Then put a parchment paper strip inside the spoons. This will help you get your mushroom top out, just like how you get batteries out of a battery compartment. Just smush the ball into the measuring spoons and then pop them out. Then flip the measuring spoons over and put the tops on to dry. And you don't really have to have them dry before you put them on the stems, but I like to do it just a little bit, but you don't want to do it too long because you want the toothpick to be able to puncture through the top. I actually used one of those tiny mixing bowls to make the mushroom top that goes on top of the big marshmallow because I like the proportions better.
Hey, what about the dance, huh?
Ribbit. Sorry, I'm having way too much fun with this. Secret number 3 is to spray it. Just take a little bit of white gel icing color and mix it with Everclear or vodka or lemon extract to make it a little thinner. And then dip an angled paintbrush in the paint, and then you're gonna flick the paint off so it sprays onto the top of the mushroom. The long bristles should be facing you. The more saturated your brush is with paint, the bigger the spray droplets will be. This is actually much more realistic to what a toadstool mushroom looks like. The dots are actually very teeny. I have this really cute video of a tree stump cake with toadstools and a little fairy door. It is so adorable. You should check it out. These mushrooms are so adorable and realistic, and they were so fast and easy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.